Sharvari, Abhay Verma, Taran Singh starred, directed by Aditya Munja, hit theaters on June 7 and impressed everyone. It received positive response from audience, critics, celebrities, and we are loving it. On that note, hello and welcome to Jagran English. I am Riddhi Suri and today with us we have the cast of Munja along with its director.
Hello.
Well,
Hello.
welcome to Jagran. guys.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Thank you.
So, how does it feel to wake up to the impressive box office numbers?
We haven't slept.
Yeah.
We're not waking
So
up.
basically,
We
he's
haven't
saying,
slept.
हाँ, सोए नहीं तो wake up कहीं नहीं. No, it is, I think, very reassuring feeling, I would say. Happy तो है सब. We are very happy, but more than happy, I would sum up this for all of us. कि ना ऐसे लग रहा है, एक अच्छा लग रहा है कि सही फिल्म, कम बजट में बनी हुई, but high concept. Not known faces, but good actors. ये जो एक होता है ना मिश्रण, ऐसे आई थिंक कॉम्बिनेशन को लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं ना, उसके लिए ऐसा लग रहा है कि चलो इट गिव्स यू एनकरेजमेंट टू डू बेटर वर्क गोइंग अहेड.
So, what was the inspiration behind Munja? Why did you select this?
It's a folklore. It's a very famous folklore in Maharashtra, and this folklore is, I think, through generations we've heard about it. The best part of it is that everybody in Maharashtra knows it, quite a lot of people. But what I did not like about the fact is कि how people outside Maharashtra don't know it. तो मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि I used to always feel that this has to be told on a bigger scale. It has to be a film that has to be made on Munja. And luckily, Maddock had a script like that. So when I met Maddock and I realized कि they are also working on a Munja, I said ये तो इस पे मैं काम करूँगा. I have to work on this. So Munja basically is a folklore of a child who अपने मुंडन के बाद अगर मरता है 10 दिन के अंदर तो उसका एक ब्रह्म राक्षस बनता है. So it is a folklore legend. आप इसे दंत कथा है, आप ऐसे बोल दो, but a very strong belief system में महाराष्ट्र के है.
जैसे कि you talked about Rakshas. So, any one of you believe in black magic, ghost spirits?
Not in black magic to be honest, लेकिन डर लगता है गोस्ट से, तो फिर बिलीव करते ही होंगे. तो आई थिंक हाँ, ऐसे मतलब गोस्ट स्पिरिट ऐसा फिल्म देख के डर तो लगता है, बट नॉट रियली इन ब्लैक मैजिक.
I think we all believe in the fact that there are negative energies and positive energies.
Yeah.
बराबर.
That is.
Yeah.
So, any incident that happened on set, any incident that haunted you, or you have your personal stories to tell?
Abhay has one from the set. Yeah.
So we are calling it a 3 AM story, जिसमें हम एक्चुअली कोकण में शूट कर रहे थे. और वहाँ पे ना ज़्यादा कमर्शियलाइज कुछ होटल्स नहीं है, वो सब नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत ही सुंदर और प्यारी जगह है. मतलब जैसे पुराने टाइम में होती थी, तो हमें बैक इन टाइम लेके जाती है, वेयर लाइफ इज स्लो बट कंटेंट. तो वैसे वाली जगह है. और हम एक्चुअली एक बहुत ही प्यारे से होटल में स्टे कर रहे थे. पूरी टीम ही स्टे कर रही थी एक साथ. और अच्छा, सबकी ना मतलब हम एक दिन हुआ, 2 दिन हुआ, तो ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल पे किसी ने ऐसा बोला कि हाँ यार मेरी ना आँख 3 बजे खुल गई थी, बाकी मैं अच्छे से सोया. तो किसी ने बोला तेरी खुली थी, मेरी भी 3 बजे ही आँख खुली थी. तो ऐसा फ़ोन देखने का तो आजकल है ही ट्रेंड, मतलब वो आँख खुली तो फ़ोन देख लिया, क्या टाइम. तो वो था. तो फिर 3-4 लोग और बोलने लगे कि यार मैं भी 3 बजे उठा था. तो अब हमें नहीं पता कि हम 3 बजे क्यों उठ रहे थे, लेकिन सब लोगों ने बोला कि हाँ यार हम 3 बजे ज़रूर उठे थे, बेशक से किसी एक कुछ रीज़न के लिए या कोई ऐसे ही उठ के दोबारा 5 मिनट, लेकिन हम सब उठे थे. और मतलब उस टाइम तो डर लग गया था ऑनेस्टली. और मतलब हमें जब ये पता चला तो थैंकफुली हमारी लास्ट रात थी उस जगह पे, तो वो था. बट या द फियर ऑफ द अननोन इज़ ऑलवेज नाइस. जब हमें पता चल जाए कि हाँ भाई ये सबके साथ हो रहा है, तो फिर थोड़ा और ज़्यादा डरावना हो जाता है. तो थैंकफुली वो लास्ट रात थी उस जगह पे. तो ये 3 बजे का पता नहीं क्या लॉजिक था, जो हम आज तक भी, मतलब मैं तो सोचता भी नहीं हूँ इस बारे में. जो हो गया चलो हो गया. बट दैट्स द स्टोरी व्हिच हैपेंड, रियली हैपेंड.
That's quite scary.
Yeah,
So,
actually.
you're dealing with a movie like this.
Yeah.
So, sir, there were already movies around these things like Kantara also, and the film did extremely well on the box office. So, when you were writing this, like when you were scripting it, what thoughts you had in your mind?
I had the thought of purely telling a story which is coming from India, culture of India, folklore and legend of India, and I wanted to bring it on a bigger platform. And my pure focus of it was it has to be entertaining. It has to be a film that families can watch, kids can watch. And Munja is a very mischievous character. It's a very interesting character. He's not your quintessential ghost. He's not a typical monster. He will play pranks. He will have a temperament. जो बोलते हैं ना एक 10-11 साल का 11-year-old ब्रैट, वो ब्रैट है. और वो ब्रैट में क्या क्या कर सकते हो आप, तो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ ह्यूमर यू कैन प्ले विद. सो वी सेड इसमें ना मजा करना है, वी हैव फन विद इट. सो ये डरा रहा है, पर वो अपने ना वो इविलनेस से डरा रहा है, वो बचकाना इविलनेस जो होता है वो. एंड देन वी थॉट कि चलो इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर, व्हाई नॉट डू एज मच एज वी कैन विद दिस इन अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ मैडॉक. तो हमने अटेम्प्ट तो किया है सब करने के लिए, एंड आई एम वेरी ग्लैड पीपल आर लविंग ऑल दिस.
Definitely, even social media, if you see,
Yeah.
it's already trending. And it was trending
That's
before
right.
its release only. See, like
Lovely.
when the trailer was out, people wanted to see this.
Lovely.
So,
Thank you.
क्या बात.
so what made you sign this film?
Honestly, I was actually at that point of time, I was looking for work and I had gone to Dinesh Vision's office and I wanted to tell him that, he had given me a chance to come for a meeting there. And so I took up that chance and said that, sir, I want to collaborate with you. I want to work with Maddock because they give chances to newcomers, they give chances to people who they believe in. And immediately after that, he said that this morning we've actually changed something in a script and I think you're perfect for that part and you must meet the director Aditya. And I said okay, so I met Aditya sir and we instantly jammed on Munjha because I'm also Maharashtrian and I come from I'm from Mumbai but my gaon is Morgaon. So I have heard stories of Munjha growing up and I think that for me again it was a very big representation and I'm a proud Maharashtrian and I wanted my story that comes from my village or my culture to be shown on the big screen and been made pan India. Like today everybody in India at least knows what Munjha is. Earlier it was just limited to Maharashtra, so I think that attempt in itself for me brought me a lot of pride and I just instantly wanted to be associated with it.
So when you did your first film, Baldi Babli, it didn't work well on box office. Did you have any kind of a thought while signing this film? Were you related?
No, honestly, of course, there's always a thought behind signing any script, but I don't think that it took the pressure or the baggage of a previous film because I don't think that's how creative minds work. The thing is, okay, what do you want to do next? It's okay, whatever happens in the past, you put it in the past and you move on. So at least that's what my attitude. And I wanted to do something different. I wanted to blow people's minds with something that is so new. You've never seen a CGI actor. I mean, when I heard it for the first time, it's like if you don't say yes to a film that's going to happen for the first time in India, you're going to feel FOMO when you sit in that theatre and other actors are performing and you're just going to be like, oh no, I lost out on a chance. And that's the first thing I felt. And I didn't want to lose out on that chance. So that was my only thought.
And now people are loving
Yes, thank you.
the Munni as well.
Yes, thank you.
So, Karan, you started with content creating. Now you're in film. How this journey has been for you? How you feel about it?
I am overwhelmed right now. I don't know how to express myself also right now, and I didn't expect this also. This was मुझे पता था कि मैंने कुछ कर लिया है और जब मैंने मूवी करी उसके बाद मैं भूल गया कि आई हैव डन दिस बिकॉज इट्स ऑफ कोर्स इसमें इतना VFX इतना CGI होना था कि इसका वेट करना तो बहुत मेरे लिए बहुत टफ था. तो व्हेन आई डिड दिस ऑल्सो लास्ट दिन के बाद मैंने अपने दिमाग से निकाल दिया कि आई हैव डन समथिंग लाइक दिस. ऑफ कोर्स मैं वेट कर रहा था, पर अगर मैं वो एक दिन वेट करता तो अभी की तरह मेरा भी हाल बुरा हो जाता कि एक दिन निकल नहीं रहा है और कैसे. तो आई फॉरगॉट अबाउट इट. मैंने सब सर के ऊपर छोड़ दिया कि ऑफ कोर्स व्हाट ही इज डूइंग ही विल डू इट. एंड या मेरे लिए बहुत अभी तो ओवरवेलमिंग रिस्पॉन्स है और मेरे लिए बहुत ही अभी भी ओवरवेलमिंग एक्सपीरियंस है. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू रिएक्ट आल्सो.
So, to conclude this interview, your message to your fans.
Bye.
मुंजिया फैंस
Munja.
प्लीज
Oh
जाओ.
yeah, Munja fans. I mean, all the other Munja fans, जो fans नहीं भी थे, वो भी अब fan बन चुके हैं. So I think it's high time for the real fans to come up and show and cheer and hoot in theaters and let us know how you feel it because that is the best way that you can show us.
So I feel, see, a film like Munja works purely on word of mouth, and our Friday numbers were good numbers. Then it went to Saturday, बढ़ गए, Sunday और बढ़ गए. It's only happened because people have walked out and told other people,
Yeah.
"Ki go and watch that film."
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And I feel that is so important that people go out entertained, have had fun,
Yeah.
and go and tell others ki go and watch Munja. So I hope that all those who are watching it go out and tell and push their friends and families to go and watch the film. And I hope those who have gone in have also liked the film and have done the same. तो वो जो सर्कल चालू होता है ना,
Yeah.
उससे फिल्में चलती है. And I hope that happens for Munja.
Because I myself do the box office analysis.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And I was so impressed with the numbers. I was like, wow, people are loving
Same.
this.
अरे,
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's good.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thanks a lot.
much.
Thank you.